Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 11 Lite. In this video I'll show you all camera modes and settings. Let's begin with photo mode. So, in photo mode we can zoom in 10 times and zoom out 0.6 times. Then we can turn on flashlight, HDR, AI, filters and Google Lens. Pretty similar in video, but we can zoom in only 6 times, but we can zoom out 0.6 times. Then we can turn on flashlight, steady video, filters and beautify mode. Next we've got 64 megapixels, short video, documents, night mode and more. In more we can see modes like vlog, slow motion, time-lapse, pro, panorama, portrait, movie effects, long exposure, dual video and clone. Unfortunately, half of these modes are downloadable, so let's go to slow motion. It's a typical slow motion. Now, time-lapse. We can change duration and speed. Pro mode, where we can change white balance, focus, shutter, ISO and lens. Next we've got typical panorama, portrait mode, and dual video. In front camera, in photo mode we can turn on HDR, flashlight and AI. Now let's go to settings. Firstly, we can change aspect ratio. We can turn on timer, enter movie frame, palm shutter, show grid lines and time burst. Next, in settings, we can turn on or off image stabilization, we can change volume button function, customize our camera, save location info, enable or disable shutter sound, save previous mode, adjust anti-bending, and we can add time stamp on photos, correct face distortions, change picture quality, enable focus and shoot, and change function for press and hold shutter button. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.